Today, we will talk about how to find a true friend. Let's have a look at the details. True friendship is one of the deepest relationships you can have with another person. A true friend is there for you through thick and thin. They'll laugh with you, they'll cry with you, and they'll bail you out of jail if necessary. The first method is putting yourself out there. Take the initiative. When it comes to finding a true friend, you can't afford to be lazy. A real friend won't just magically materialize on your doorstep, so you need to be willing to put some work in. Take matters into your own hands and start socializing. Meet new people. You won't make friends by sitting at home alone every night. You need to be proactive, so force yourself out of the house and meet as many people as possible. It might be intimidating at first, but it'll be worth it in the end. Don't be oversensitive. Meeting people for the first time can be tough. They may seem disinterested or unwilling to make an effort. Don't be disheartened. Finding a true friend takes time. You should realize that a friend you have earned with a lot of hard effort is commonly a true friend. When you're trying to make friends, being picky is not a good strategy. Your initial goal is to meet as many people as possible, so talk to everybody and keep an open mind. This will help you determine people's personalities and know who to stay away from and what good characteristics should be present in a good friend. Be persistent. Even if your first attempt at putting yourself out there isn't as successful as you had hoped, don't despair. People can take a little while to warm up, so the second or third time meeting someone might go a lot better than the first. Be patient. It takes time to really get to know someone, especially when you're looking for true friendship. If you continue to put yourself out there and make an effort to hang out with as many people as possible, eventually you'll find someone you genuinely connect with. The second method is getting to know one another. Start a conversation. The first step in getting to know a potential friend is to strike up a conversation. Believe it or not, very interesting conversations can start up with, "The weather is sure cold." Another way is to find out a little bit about them and their interests. Once you get started on an interesting topic, the rest will come naturally. Get their contact information. If you hit it off with someone, make sure to get their contact information before you part ways. You'll need it if you want to organize to meet up with them again. Invite them to hang out. Here is where a lot of people falter. It's fun to meet people once and make friends with them on Facebook afterward, but you won't develop a true friendship unless you take the next step and invite them to hang out. Accept every invitation. It's good to make your own plans to meet up with people, but if you get an invitation it's even better. Give the relationship time to grow. Deep, meaningful relationships don't just blossom overnight. You need to nurture them and allow them time to mature. And the third method is what to look for in a true friend. Look for someone you can have fun with. A true friend is someone that you have a great time with. You should be able to make your own fun, laugh together, get in trouble, and genuinely enjoy one another's company. Look for someone who will be honest with you. A true friend will always be honest with you, no matter what. Look for someone who will be loyal to you. A true friend will be fiercely loyal to you, whether you're present or not. This means that they'll stand by you, even if they don't agree with your decisions, and stick up for you when nobody else will. Look for someone trustworthy. You can trust a true friend with anything, whether it's to feed your cat while you're on vacation or to keep your deepest, darkest secrets. Look for someone dependable. A true friend is there when you need them, to share the good times and help you through the bad ones. Look for someone supportive. A true friend is supportive of you and your goals. They won't try to change you, make you feel uncomfortable to hold you back. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.